In recent years, the space industry has witnessed groundbreaking advancements that are reshaping the future of space exploration and manufacturing. One such pioneer in this field is Varda Space Industries, a California-based startup co-founded by a veteran from SpaceX. With its mission to revolutionize space manufacturing, Varda has successfully deployed its first satellite, W-Series 1, in orbit, marking a significant milestone in the journey towards mass production of materials in space. In this video, we will delve into the history, vision, and achievements of Varda Space Industries, highlighting its contributions to the field of space manufacturing. The visionaries behind Varda Space Industries. Varda Space Industries was founded by a visionary entrepreneur, inspired by the limitless possibilities of space exploration. After being ousted as the CEO of PayPal, Elon Musk, the renowned entrepreneur, developed a keen interest in space ventures. His fascination with space exploration was ignited when he discovered that NASA lacked a concrete plan for a human mission to Mars. This realization became the driving force behind Musk's pursuit of private space projects and his determination to make humans an interplanetary species. Musk's passion for space exploration led him to attend space conferences and provide funding for various private space initiatives. He even pledged a significant amount to the Mars Society and served on its board of directors. Musk's collaboration with aerospace engineer Jim Cantrell and other like-minded individuals laid the foundation for Mars Oasis, a project aimed at growing a plant in Martian soil. However, the project faced multiple challenges, and Musk soon realized that a sustainable Mars program required a low launch cost. The birth of Varda Space Industries. In 2002, Elon Musk convened a group of aerospace engineers in Los Angeles to discuss the possibility of founding a space launch company. Despite initial skepticism, Musk's vision resonated with some, and he invited Michael Griffin, Jim Cantrell, John Garvey, Tom Mueller, and Chris Thompson to join him in this pioneering endeavor. While Griffin, Cantrell, and Garvey declined the invitation, Mueller and Thompson became the first employees of the newly founded company. To kickstart Varda Space Industries, Musk invested a substantial portion of his PayPal stocks, securing 2 years' worth of salary for Mueller and Thompson. This initial investment provided the necessary resources to begin the journey towards space manufacturing. With a dedicated team and a clear vision, Varda Space Industries was ready to take on the challenges of revolutionizing the way materials are produced in space. The mission of Varda Space Industries. Varda Space Industries aims to pioneer the mass production of materials in space that are either impossible to produce on Earth or can be developed more efficiently and with higher quality in microgravity conditions. By leveraging the unique environment of space, Varda seeks to unlock new possibilities for manufacturing advanced materials and drive the progress of various industries, including electronics, pharmaceuticals, and even construction. The company envisions a future where space factories become a reality, harnessing the power of microgravity to manufacture materials with unmatched precision and efficiency. By shifting manufacturing processes to space, Varda aims to address the limitations imposed by Earth's gravity and create a new paradigm for industrial production. Through groundbreaking research and development, Varda Space Industries strives to push the boundaries of what is possible in space manufacturing. Deploying the world's first space factory, Varda Space Industries achieved a major milestone with the successful deployment of its first satellite, W-Series 1. Lifted to orbit aboard SpaceX's Transporter-8 mission, the W-Series 1 satellite is housed within Rocket Lab's Photon platform. This innovative satellite solution has also attracted the attention of NASA, which has contracted it for 2 Mars missions next year. Varda's satellite has already found the sun, and the company is excited to witness its solar panels detumble, marking the beginning of its space manufacturing journey. Unlocking the potential of space manufacturing. The potential impact of space manufacturing is immense. By leveraging the microgravity environment of space, Varda Space Industries can produce materials with enhanced properties and qualities that are unattainable on Earth. For instance, the formation of crystals in space allows for larger and more uniform structures, leading to improved performance in various applications such as electronics and pharmaceuticals. Additionally, the absence of gravity-induced convection in space enables the production of alloys with unprecedented purity and homogeneity. These alloys could revolutionize industries like aerospace, where lightweight and high-strength materials are in high demand. by harnessing the unique properties of materials produced in space. Varda Space Industries aims to drive innovation and unlock new frontiers in multiple sectors. The journey towards mass production in space. Varda Space Industries understands that achieving mass production in space requires a strategic approach and continuous improvement. The company is committed to developing the necessary infrastructure and technology to streamline manufacturing processes in microgravity conditions. By investing in research and development, Varda aims to optimize material production techniques and increase yields to make space manufacturing economically viable. Looking ahead, the future of space manufacturing. As Varda Space Industries continues its journey towards revolutionizing space manufacturing, the company has its sights set on bold and ambitious goals. By scaling up production capabilities and optimizing manufacturing processes, Varda aims to establish sustainable space factories that can meet the growing demand for advanced materials. The company envisions a future where space manufacturing becomes an integral part of various industries, paving the way for unprecedented technological advancements and opening up new frontiers of exploration. To sum up, Varda Space Industries, founded by a visionary entrepreneur and driven by an unwavering commitment to revolutionize space manufacturing, is at the forefront of unlocking the potential of space for industrial production. With its successful deployment of the world's first space factory satellite, the company is poised to pave the way for a future where manufacturing in microgravity becomes a reality. Through strategic collaborations, continuous research and development, and a clear mission, Varda Space Industries is set to shape the future of space exploration, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and unlocking new frontiers for humanity. Click here to watch China race against SpaceX to battle over orbit. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.